Here are the community updates for the week on August 30th. Grand Rapids' year-old Office of Oversight and Public Accountability gave an update to city commissioners on Tuesday, which included more details about its draft strategic plan and overall efforts to help improve police-community relations. OPA Director Brandon Davis said the department's working to finalize the strategic plan and create procedures to operationalize its strategic priorities and action steps. Internal and external education on the OPA's role and focus will begin in November. Among the 68 action steps within the strategic plan are working in partnership with the GRPD and Fire Department to improve diversity in recruitment and retention of public safety staff, creating a public safety community mediation program that focuses on non-disciplinary resolution of complaints, and evaluating and recommending changes to policies, ordinances, and laws that disproportionately impact communities of color. The City Commission meeting Davis shared OPA updates through can be watched on YouTube in English and Spanish. School is back in session this week for students and teachers of Grand Rapids Public Schools, with the first day of the district's online-only approach now in the bag. Tuesday began 9 weeks of the online format, also known as distance learning. GRPS aims to assess the public health situation in Grand Rapids over the coming weeks and prepare for a potential in-person or hybrid return to school on October 21st. Weekly updates on the district's still developing school year plans are available on its website. Circle Theater began the first of several outdoor concerts on its front lawn on Monday as part of its new Circle Popup Concert series. The outdoor concerts feature local musicians and family-friendly entertainment to help keep local residents connected and its company active during a continued shutdown for theaters in Michigan. Concerts run on select Monday and Tuesday nights from 7 to 8 p.m., and future performers include Vanessa Allen and Deborah Perry, Ellie Francis and Colin Tobin, and Jeff Kemperman. More details about Circle Theater's outdoor concert series are available on its website. Kent County's rate of new COVID-19 cases has increased slightly over the last week, the KCHD reported on Wednesday. In their video update, Director Dr. Adam London said the county is now seeing about 40 to 50 new cases per day. Last week, the county saw about 32 new cases per day. Despite the slight increase from last week, London said the county is still seeing a relatively low number of cases reported every day. London has compared the county's case growth to the southeast side of Michigan in recent weeks, which has continued to see higher case growth and test positivity rates. Kent County's weekly average of new cases hasn't fluctuated more than 20 cases in either direction since mid-July, nor has the weekly average exceeded 60 new cases per day since this same time. The county's test positivity rate, the percentage of tests coming back positive, is currently 1.8% compared to the 1.7% the week prior. More information is available on the KCHD's website. In its Q&A available on its website, Spectrum Health experts answered 14 commonly asked questions ranging everywhere from whether masks really work to whether convalescent plasma therapy works to treat COVID-19. One question explores Spectrum Health's explicit support on a related topic. When will there be a COVID-19 vaccine, and will Spectrum Health support it? Quote, "The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services is expecting to have more information about a possible vaccine in late fall 2020 or early 2021, the experts answered. Quote, "Spectrum Health will support a vaccine when scientific evidence indicates that it is safe and effective. Spectrum Health will not provide a vaccination that does not have FDA approval." Spectrum Health offers virtual COVID-19 screenings to those with symptoms. Any Michigan resident can be screened and self-schedule a COVID-19 test through MyChart portal on Spectrum Health's website. Michiganders don't have to be a Spectrum Health patient to use this service. The City of Grand Rapids Parks and Recreation Department has extended its free outdoor fitness classes through September, it announced earlier this week. The dance, cardio, and yoga classes will continue weekly through September 26th. All classes are free and registration is not required. A full list of events is available on the Parks and Recreation Department's Facebook events page. Weather-related cancellations will also be available on this page and its cancellation hotline at 616-456-3699. To ensure public health and safety, COVID-19 mitigation measures will be maintained. More details about the city's free outdoor fitness classes are available on its website. The Rapidian encourages local residents to share their own stories related to civic, economic, and public health developments in the Grand Rapids area on the Rapidian's platform. To get started as a citizen reporter, visit therapidian.org/write. This update is brought to you by JRTV, the Rapidian, and the Grand Rapids Community Media Center. Please take care of yourself and take care of others.